Hello my dear audience, I greet you all to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Two of my students have suggested to make something that will tickle their taste buds. So presenting in front of you Kolkata style chicken biryani. The key ingredients are chicken, eggs, rice and potatoes. Apart from this, you will be needing whole spices like bay leaves, white pepper, nutmeg, white cumin, mace, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. I have listed some additional ingredients which you might use in your preparation. I have divided the video into 3 parts. First one is pre-cooking or preparation. Soaking rice, marinating chicken, cutting vegetables, collecting and grinding spices and taking out eggs. The making of biryani takes a long time. So it is better to pre-plan and arrange everything at hand. For the marination of chicken, I would be using vinegar, salt, curd, onion, garlic and ginger paste and the whole spices which I have already grinded beforehand. Now my mother is mixing all the ingredients and will be keeping this marinade for an hour. After this, I soaked 500 grams of rice in water. After this, I have cut potatoes and sliced onions and have also taken out the eggs to boil. Now the preparation is complete. Now I will go to the second stage, that is the cooking. I have added some turmeric to the potatoes to give them a rich yellow color. Now I am frying it till they become red. Next, I will be frying the onions for beresta and also for making the chicken. The onions have browned. Now I will keep them apart. I am putting these big chunks of chicken in the hot oil above the fried onions, and now I will also be adding turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. In the meantime, when the chicken is cooking, I have also boiled rice side by side after soaking it for 30 minutes. Now I have spread them in 3 plates and applied ghee over it so that they do not stick to each other. The chicken is almost done. In a vessel, I am heating ghee as well as some refined oil. To this, I am adding whole spices which I have already kept. After this, I am layering rice. Above it, I am giving the fried onions or beresta. Then the chicken pieces over them. This is the second round of layering which I am doing. I have repeated this process twice. I have given rice, above that beresta and chicken. Lastly, I am giving the rest of the grinded spices. Now my mother is shaking the vessel so that things get properly mixed. Keep the biryani in low flame for some time so that it gets cooked well. In the third part, you will have to serve and eat the biryani, and also like, comment, share my video and subscribe. Thank you all.